Making this up as we go along now?
Yeah. I've got a rough idea because of what. To get off the road, we need to cross over and go over by there. There's an entry there. So we're out on a little day adventure today. That's a new sign. Let's see where this starts. God knows. Probably to stop idiots like me and you coming to film and stick it on social media. So we're at the start, there's the rope and there's the first footbridge. Right, let's see how this goes. Probably more nervous about this than anything I've done before. Now we got to go up here. But this has sobered you up, isn't it? Oh, we are. Hole in the fence here. Baby lambs, we mean no harm. Let's go up and around and out the way. It's okay. It's okay. We're not going. Oh, look at them. It's okay. We're not going to harm. Oh, it's stuck in. It's got its head stuck, has it? No. Oh, look at how cute they are. It's okay. We're going now. Don't want to hurt. Don't want to charge on us. Look. Oh, look at that. Nifty. No singing today from me. We're not on a mountainside. I suppose we are. So as you can see, we're coming back up roadside rather than going back up the way we came. Not ideal, but it'll be the quickest route back to the car anyway. That was enjoyable, that. Different. So our plan is to go back up to the car, drive back down to the fairy glen and make ourselves a brew. Right, bring you back when we get there. So we've now come to see the fairy glen. Wonder if we'll see any fairies. Oh look, there's one. I can see a fairy. Woo! There's a fairy.